Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be making a junk necklace. A junk necklace is when you take junk jewelry that you've collected and you put it on a necklace. There is no uniformity to this at all. I think that's what makes it so much fun. Let's go ahead and get to the junk necklace. Okay, so these are the bags I have. Let's go ahead and start off by separating all of the jewelry and seeing what we're working with. I'm going to be looking for any kind of charms that I could add I don't know if this is called a closed ring. I don't remember what it's called, but I'm going to be looking for anything that I could add a closed ring to, and we can go ahead and attach it to the necklace.
This is the chain I will be using. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby for $9.99. I'm going to measure around my neck and decide where I want my necklace to hang, and then I will cut off that piece. Now that I figured out which junk jewelry I'm going to use, I'm going to start taking them apart and turning them into single charms. This part can take a while. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next jewelry piece that I'm going to use by removing all of the little pieces and turn them into little charms.
So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and add these stamped jewelry on here. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp these. Okay, so I'm back and I got everything. So I got this one. It's hard to see. And then I got this one. I'm waiting for the glue to dry. Once the glue dries, then I can take off the excess. It has excess glue on it, but it peels right off. I'm going to start off by taking these and then finding the middle of my necklace. And make sure you close it up real good. That way it doesn't fall off. This part is going to also take a long time. You have to have patience when you do stuff like this because it can be frustrating.
If you decide to make one of these necklaces, make sure you get a chain that has bigger rings or links. I was having a hard time attaching the charms because the link holes were too small.
Make sure the beads are facing the correct way, how you want them to be on the necklace. So there we go. And there's that one. I got all those put on. It's coming together. Check it out. Oh, you can't really check it out, huh? It's coming together. I like the way it sounds. I love that sound. I like charmy stuff. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to add are these. I've just been picking random spots like where there's openings and I've been adding them there. So I don't have the stuff to make this adjustable. So it's just gonna have to be a one size. And there's that. I like my clasps on the right. I honestly don't know if there's like a jewelry necklace etiquette for which side the clasps should be on. Alright, so it is ready to be put on. Oh, and I'm going to add one of these handmade little deals to it. There we go. Alright, I'm all done, and I have this unique piece. I'm very happy with the way it came out. Not bad for my first junk necklace. So comment below, let me know if you like it. So I think it's so cute. All right, thank you for watching.